I am Kim J. Salubre, Automotive 1A. Welcome to my video presentation about the National Service Training Program or NSTP. This program is designed to help the student like us develop disciplines, leadership, and social responsibilities. In this presentation, we will share what NSTP is all about, its components, and why it is important not only for students but also for our community and our country. Let's begin.
The goal of NSTP, the transformation of the youth into responsible citizens who embody the values of being God-fearing, patriotic, humane, and environmentally conscious, fostering both local and national development. The mission of NSTP. The SLSU NSTP office shall develop well-rounded, socially responsible, and patriotic individuals through comprehensive training programs that enhance civic consciousness, defense, preparedness, and active participation in community service and public affairs. The SLSU NSTP is committed to promotion the physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being of students while instilling the values of patriotism, nationalism, and voluntarism. The vision of NSTP, in alignment with SLSU commitment to excellent innovation and societal transformation, the NSTP office shall be a leading center of civic consciousness and defense preparedness, promoting service, patriotism, and community development among the youth. What is NSTP? NSTP stands for National Service Training Program. It's a program at SLSU that helps students become responsible, caring, and patriotic citizens. Here's the general key objective. Number 1. Cultivate a deep sense of civic consciousness and patriotism among students. 2. Enhance students' engagement in community service and development projects. 3. Prepare students for national defense and emergency preparedness. 4. Development will train, organize, and motivate full of individuals. 5. Equipment students with skills and knowledge for lifelong learning, critical thinking, and active participation. Explanation. The general objectives of the program aim to develop students into responsible and patriotic citizens. First, it cultivates civic consciousness and love for our country, encouraging us to serve and take pride in being Filipinos. Second, it enhances our engagement in community service and development projects, giving us a chance to contribute to positive change. Third, it prepares us for national defense and emergency situations, ensuring readiness with our country needs as most part. It builds a pool of well-trained and motivated individuals capable of leadership and teamwork. Lastly, it equips us with lifelong skills such as critical thinking and active participation in nation building. Specific objectives for Civic Welfare Training Service or CWTS. 1. Engage students in projects that enhance community welfare, focusing on health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and social services. 2. Apply the academic knowledge to real-world community challenges, fostering practical skills and civic responsibility. 3. Build partnership with local organizations and communities to identify needs and implement impactful projects. Explanation. For the Civic Welfare Training Service or CWTS, the specific objectives focus on community development. Students are encouraged to join projects that improve health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and social services. It also helps us apply classroom knowledge to real-world problems, strengthening our civic responsibility. Moreover, it builds partnership with organizations and communities, making projects more effective and impactful. Program outcomes. The graduates of the program shall 1. Exhibit a strong sense of civic duty, actively participate in community initiatives and display a deep commitment to national pride and patriotism. 2. Effective engage in community service and development projects, applying their knowledge and skills to address societal challenges and contribute to the betterment of local communities. 3. Be equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to respond effectively to national defense requirements and emergencies, ensuring readiness and resilience in times of crisis. Be well trained, organized, and motivated, capable of working collaboratively in the diverse team to achieve common goals. 5. Engage in lifelong learning, apply critical thinking, and actively participate in initiatives that promotes national development, ensuring their continued growth as responsible and productive citizen. Explanation. The program outcomes ensure that graduates become responsible and productive citizens. They will show strong civic duty and patriotism, actively engage community projects. They will prepare for emergencies and national defense when needed. They will also develop teamwork, organizations, and motivation.
Activities and topics. Number 1. Citizen training. This teaches us to be responsible citizens by knowing our duties and rights in our country. Number 2. Youth, youth moral spiritual enhancement helps young people to strengthen their faith, values, and moral decision in life. 3. Self-awareness and values development guide us to know ourselves better and improve our attitudes and behaviors. 4. Leadership training trains students to lead others, make decisions, and handles responsibility. Second topic, drug education, RE 9165, Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. Give awareness about the dangers of illegal drugs and how to avoid them. Disaster Risk Reduction and Management, or DRRM awareness teach us to be prepared during disaster. Basic first aid, how to give simple medical help during emergencies. Fire and earthquake drill, practice on what to do when this disaster happens. Other related activities, extra safety training for protection. The third topic is environmental awareness and protection. Encourages care of for nature, unlike proper waste management and protecting natural resources. Other national security concern. Territorial dispute. Learning conflicts over land or sea ownership. Public insurgency. Understanding issues or rebellion and peace and order. In conclusion, the NSTP office at SLSU wants to help young people grow into good, responsible citizens. They want students to learn about being patriotic, caring for others, and protecting the environment. The program teaches students to help their communities through service projects, works together, and be ready to help in times of need. The goal is to make students strong in mind, body, and spirit so they can contribute to the country and society. Lastly, NSTP at SLSU is not just about learning, it's about growing into a better version of yourself. It helps you become a patriotic, caring, and responsible citizen who is already to serve, protect, and improve your community and country. As we come to the end of this presentation, let us take with us the lesson and insight we have learned today. May this inspire us not only to gain knowledge but also to apply it in our daily lives. That's all for today. Thank you and bye.